I want you to say the Shahada and then repeat it in English and Tagalog. Can you do that for me?
Pwede mo magawin, i-ano daw, i-repeat mo, sasabihin niya. Kaya mo, okay.
You can do that? Okay. Okay, so tell everybody your name.
I'm
Randy Janji Sablat from Rawi, Philippines.
And how old are you?
I'm 10 years old.
And how long have you wanted to take Shahada? How long have you wanted to tell people that you are Muslim?
Gaano nakatagal gusto mo maging Muslim?
Never and ever and ever.
And how many Muslims are in your family?
Ilang Muslim nasa pamilya mo?
One.
You?
Yes.
Only you. When did you decide that you wanted to be Muslim? How old were you then?
Kailan gusto mo naging Muslim at ilang taon?
Ilan mo naisip na gusto mo maging Muslim? Ilan mo naisip? Anong taon? Anong edad mo noon? Na naisip mo na?
9 years old.
1 year.
Oh, mashallah. Mashallah. And you already know how to pray?
Yes.
And you've been praying with your auntie?
Yes.
Mashallah. Okay, so he wants people to witness the Shahada. So we're going to say the Shahada, and then you're going to repeat it in English and Tagalog, so that everybody knows that you know what you're saying, right?
Yes.
Okay. So remember the sign for one God is to point your index finger up. Okay. Ashhadu
Ashhadu
la
la
ilaha
ilaha
illallah
illallah
wa ashhadu
wa ashhadu
anna
anna
Muhammadan
Muhammadan
Rasulullah.
Rasulullah.
Now repeat that in English for everybody.
Tagalog.
Yeah, in Tagalog.
Ako ay sumasaksi na walang ibang Diyos na dapat sambahin maliban kay Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, at ako ay sumasaksi na si Muhammad ang huling sugo ng Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala.
Mashallah. Allahu
Allahu
Akbar.
Akbar.
Allahu Akbar.
Yung ano naman, yung tura niya, kahit mga kahit niya talaga.